Want to make an AI that sees your face without any coding? Let's do it in 60 seconds. First, open PictoBlox and add the face detection extension. Connect your webcam and start using blocks like is face detected. Get face position X/Y and draw face box. Then, make your project interactive. Add actions like making a sprite say hello, turning on an LED, or playing a sound when your face appears. And just like that, you've built your own real-time AI face detection system using only face detection extension in PictoBlox. Perfect for beginners, students, or your next STEM demo. Like, follow, and comment what I should build next with AI and robotics.